You say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Say now, can you sing with me?
A, B, C, F, G, nothing, sing with me.
You like that book?
Yeah,
You want me to read you that book again?
yeah.
And you practice with A, B, C. My Lucy. Hi. Do you enjoy the ABC book? Remember the ABC book? Now we're going to show you about what does TTY mean. Can you say TTY? TTY means teletype. Teletype is how the people communicate through the phone. Now that is a TTY. And someday you will learn how to type, like you're on a computer. That's how I type, practice on the TTY for years, way back then, the early 80s. Yeah, there's A, B, C. Is that cool? And there's a plate where you can donate, where you can donate to TTY called Teletype, way up north in Kearney, Missouri. So I'm going to show you where the plate is. So this TTY, you have to have the old phone on top of the computer or the telephone line in the back of it called Direct Connect. And you type. Years ago, we had to say GA. That means allow to say go ahead. And then they say go ahead to us. That means we start typing. If you want to stop typing, SK means stop keying. So old days, back in the good old days. So I'm going to show you the place at Teletype where you can donate the TTY, old TTY. Are you ready? Can you sign here? We go. Hello, I'm going to share a evolution of TTY, Teletype. Who remember the Teletype that way back in the 80s? I can remember my very first TTY Teletype was the pocket TTY. I had to plug on the phone with wires and use 2 fingers. The 2 years later, then I got a better TTY we call Manicom. Manicom. Can you remember that you have to type? Then you have to say GA stands for go ahead. And then one stop, you say SK or GA. You know, it became so small, started to feel worn out. Then I heard they have called mini print, where I could save messages. Mini print, you know, paper rolls, but later the word starts to fade away. You have to make copies, good memory. Then later on it became better, called Super Print 4425, much better. Has everything. Has the answer machine. It has you can send memory message, so you won't have to type again. Super Print 4425 became very popular for years and years until Videophone. But first was web camera. Later on, Jordan got Videophone, and now AD, whatever. Who remembers that you have to use TTY? So for those who don't want TTY, you could bring to test. We're in Kearney, Missouri. It's very close to the Tulip Farm or Pumper Farm, very close. If you don't want to, you can bring to me because I'm going to go to the Tulip Farm. Bring to me and I'll drop off. I will show you the address. The good old days. And I'm going to share many different TTY. I have some TTY at home, and I'm going to show different TTY. Are you ready to see different TTY? Here we go.